It was finding a good doctor who understood at the time. There was no online space back then to get help. This is over 17 years ago. So I was very lucky that I had it. I didn't find many good doctors. I had to go through a few to find one really good one. Shout out to Dr. Lionel Lubitz. And he told me that it was possible to get better. And that was the pivotal change for me, was to realize that I could change it. Before that moment, I was waiting for a cure. I was waiting for someone to tell me that here's a pill and take it. And that doesn't exist for chronic fatigue syndrome. It never has, it never will. And so, I think coming from a place of complacency, really, and lack of responsibility, I was just waiting for someone to give me the pill. And it never came. And then when I finally met this doctor, because everyone just tells you there's no cure for chronic fatigue syndrome, and people assume cure with a pill, right? But cure actually just means, healing from a situation or circumstance. And, you can cure chronic fatigue syndrome, but it's not with a pill. It's having a multifaceted approach. And so the changing point for me was certainly just realizing that, oh, okay, there's something I can do about this, and it is possible to get better.